So that kind of, we kind of doing everything in the system. We'll try to, and then we'll try to understand, or probably let's try to understand and appreciate the configuration that has been done.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because so then at least we'll be able to, we'll know that okay, fine, these are the configurations that are actually affecting all this and all that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So why don't we do that? And I think, so we'll be like, kind of good. Possibly we can also go ahead and check what are the issues with your warehouse. So you don't want to work on 8,000 now. Sahil?
Yeah, Manoj. Manoj?
Yeah. So I just wanted to ask is that you don't want to work on 8,000 now. You're doing it on 801.
8010.
Okay, just a minute. System is still very slow.
Yeah.
I don't know, like initially earlier it was pretty fast. I don't know, for some reason it's been slowed down. what is the party entire disclosure he created?
MB underscore 8010. I think.
MV.
Yeah. Underscore. Underscore. Oh, MB underscore plant 1.
Hello, Manoj.
Yeah. Yes, you tell me.
Are we doing put away for this warehouse request?
Sorry.
Are we doing put away for this warehouse request?
Yes.
Are we doing put away for this warehouse request?
Yeah.
Okay, but the status is goods receipt completed.
Yes.
Okay. So after goods receipt, we are doing put away.
Yeah.
We can do after put away also. We can do before put away also.
Yeah. So see, the thing is that basically, if you want to do the goods receipt first, okay, all right. So you can also do a goods receipt first and then a put away, or else you can directly do a put away, as in create a warehouse task. So when you confirm the warehouse order, okay, the goods receipt will also be completed. Okay.
Okay.
Hello, Sunil.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. So see, we've basically what happened was there was certain missing configuration that was there for the warehouse.
Okay. Okay.
First thing was that storage bin structure was not generated.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now the thing is that you had your search sequence had two storage types, 0010 and 0020.
Yeah.
Okay.
Correct. Yeah.
And for 0010 you got HU requirement.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Alright. And for 0020 you don't have HU requirement. However,
There are no
you
bins.
don't have any storage bin generated for that.
Correct. Correct. Manoj,
Yeah.
after the put away is completed, the stock should be shown in YAFS, right?
Yes, but then I guess what you've done in just a minute. Okay, now basically, so here,
Yeah.
see what's happened is that you received this inbound delivery in F1, okay? Stock type F1, and F1 is basically a stock type which is assigned to availability group Z01.
Yeah.
And Z01 is the availability group which is assigned Z01 is assigned over here to this storage type.
Yeah.
See this?
Yeah.
So basically what happens is now see Z01 has got a stock type F1, okay?
Yeah.
And you've already received the inbound delivery with stock type F1 only.
Yeah.
So what happens is when you do the GR, okay?
Yeah.
When you do the GR and when you try to do the put away to this warehouse, the system will not change the stock type. The reason being is you've got two configurations over here. One is the availability group and the other is the mandatory check over here. So no matter what, even if you bought your stock in F2, okay, I'm just giving you an example. Let's say your stock had landed as F2 in EWM, and then if you had done the put away into the storage type 0020, the system would automatically convert the F2 to F1.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
However, if you see the storage type over here, the availability group that you maintained is Z02. Okay.
Yeah.
Now the inbound delivery that you received was in stock type F1.
Yeah.
However, if you do the put away in this storage type, the system would automatically convert the stock type from F1 to F2.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Got it.
You got it, Suhail?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah.
What will be the post
So what?
ERP?
Sorry?
What will be the movement type in ERP? It will be 311?
In where?
ERP.
In ECC.
ECC.
ECC when you've done the put away and everything.
No. If I put away into this storage type, okay, there should be storage location to storage location transfer in ECC, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that will happen through.
No, that will be a 411.
411, huh? Okay.
Yes. See, the thing is, let's do one thing.
Yeah. We'll put it in. We'll change the 0002 to.
Sorry?
For Z02, I mean for 0020 storage type, we can change it to 001. We can do that.
0020 storage type?
We can change the availability group to Z02.
Yeah, you can change it if you want.
It will be better because no need to create bins and all in 003, no?
No. Basically, the thing is that, see, you have, basically the availability group will be F1 when it lands over here.
Yeah.
Okay. And then after that, obviously, when you're putting it into a storage type, so you can do that. Now see, for this storage type, 030, okay. The availability group is 002, Z02, okay.
Yeah.
So now let's do one thing. Let's generate a storage bin for this. And then let's try to do basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing a posting change. Okay?
Okay.
Manoj.
Yeah, Shashi, tell me.
Hello, Manoj.
Yeah, Shashi. Hello?
So just a question regarding this bin structure.
Uh-huh.
Manoj, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you clearly, Shashi. Tell me. Yeah, Shashi, tell me. I can hear you.
Regarding this bin structure,
Uh-huh.
yeah. Regarding this bin structure, in real time, we need to maintain the real coordinates instead of default 111 for every bin type.
Wait a minute. Okay. You're talking about this? You're talking about the coordinates, right? Shashi?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're talking about these coordinates, right?
Yeah, Manoj.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So basically, the thing is, you'll be entering these coordinates only if you already have a, you can enter these coordinates, not a problem. Basically, you'll start off. There'll be a start of a coordinate and there'll be an end. That is, you can use this when you're using this, your entire your time distance calculation and all that. Also,
Okay.
when you're also where you can maintain these coordinates and you can create a graphical warehouse layout also.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So it is.
these X start, Y start, Z start,
Uh-huh.
that we need to give an increment also. But what is this X in structure, Y in structure, Z in structure? Because when I tried to view my warehouse in graphical warehouse layout, I couldn't see anything
Uh-huh.
there.
You couldn't see anything there. Then in that case, there's some we'll have. Then probably that is the coordinate that you maintained. Okay. I'll show you that. I show
Yeah.
you. I'll show you what possibly would be the mistake. Let me just. I'll just. I'll just go to the graphical user layout and I'll just show you what could be possibly the problem. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So basically, Shashi and Suhail, what we're going to doing is we're doing a transfer of that same product. Okay.
Yeah.
And trying to see if the stock type changes.
Yes.
Yeah. You see this now, Joel?
Yeah, it has moved.
So it's moved from YROD to YAFS. Okay.
Yeah.
And also, if you see, we here. See, the stock type has changed from F1 to F2.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so you see this now?
Yes. 411.
Hello?
Yeah. 411 moment type.
Yes. So basically what's happened is you had a 101 which happened.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
101 happened when you had done the put away, and once you had done the GR and the put away. After that, when we did the transfer, okay.
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
It moved to AFS.
Hello?
It moved to AFS with 411.
Yes, it's moved to AFS. So basically, though you're trying to move it from a 311 movement, I would not come over here. It's all 411 over here. Okay.
Because 311 is storage location to storage location. No, that is why
Yeah, 311 is storage location in ECC.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. But when you're moving it, see 411 movement type itself, if you just check, 411 movement type can be used for a lot of other things,
Yeah, for especially for this stock type it is used, right?
Yeah, like if you need in ECC, let's say if you want to move stock from consignment to a normal stock, you can use 411.
411K actually.
411K,
I think.
Yeah, 411K. Yes, exactly.
Okay.
That's how it is. Okay. So you got the whole picture, right? So basically, few configurations which are missing was whenever we want to go ahead and you want to post it to a different stock type or something like that, you need to understand what is the availability group that's maintained at the storage type. If we have the certain search sequence maintained if you've got the search sequence maintained for a put away. Also, the reason why we are having a problem in moving it to 0030 was because the storage it had storage section check active. Okay. Yeah. So that's basically. So what you can do now is you can try to basically remove that availability group Z02 Z01 and then try to post it again and create some new inbound deliveries and try to post it. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So Shashi, tell me, you wanted to understand to trace the material document from EWM TCC.
Yeah.
Okay. So. Okay. You see this, Shashi? Hello?
Yeah.
You see this warehouse task
Yeah.
over here?
Yes.
You see this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So basically what happens is whenever there is any movement,
Yeah.
any transaction which happens in EWM, okay? Whenever there is any transaction which happens in EWM, let's say a put away, a transfer, stock type change, anything that happens. So basically a warehouse task will be generated, okay?
Yeah.
And this warehouse task, okay, this warehouse task with the prefix of the warehouse number will be used as your reference in your material document number in ECC. You see this now?
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Now let's see this.
Manoj,
Yeah, Shashi, tell me.
actually,
Yeah,
there is
Shashi, tell
a
me.
lagging because of my network. There is a lagging because of network connectivity.
I'm sorry, I'm not able to hear you, Shashi, clearly. Shashi, I'm not able to hear you.
There is a lag.
A lag.
After few seconds, I am able to After few seconds, I am able to see the screen. So
Oh, is
because
it?
of my
Why?
network connectivity.
Oh, okay. So you're able to see it clearly, right?
Yeah, I am able to see clearly.
Okay.
So because what you're saying here is in the ERP, when we open the material document, in the material slip, that field we can see the warehouse number and warehouse task number.
Exactly.
Okay, but
See over
from
here.
the EWM in the
You see this? I'll wait. Let just.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now tell me.
Can we see this from warehouse request? The warehouse request we will have PPF actions, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah. See over here, you can see it.
warehouse
I
request
showed it to you in the warehouse monitor. You see this warehouse monitor?
Yeah.
So over here the warehouse task is the same reference over here in the material document.
Okay. So
Okay.
sometimes we can have sometimes we can have multiple tasks for a warehouse request, right?
Right. No, not multiple tasks. One request, one task.
No, in case of some packaging or something, so we can have multiple tasks for.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
So in that case, how we can trace this?
I think we can go to MKPF.
Okay. So basic.
MKPF table and
Sorry.
we can go to MKPF table and give in the material slip that number, warehouse number.
Yeah, right. You can view it from the table also, because over there it will give you a complete breakup.
See,
Not just in MKPF, even if you just go to MSEG.
Okay.
No, MKPF is header table. No? This material slip number will be in header, right?
Right. But yes, the material slip number will be at the header.
Yeah.
But in MSEG also, I think if you check. But in MSEG, what it will give you line wise, right?
Item wise it will give, correct.
Yes. So you can check it like this. Is there some kind of a development that you're making? Like, okay, so if this is the, trying to, because many a times based on this slip, there are a lot of developments like form printing and all that is done.
Okay, so actually yesterday we were trying to goods received some inbound deliveries, but quantities and batches are not getting reflected in the ERP.
Then probably it might be stuck in the queue.
The metal document.
No, it might be stuck in the queue.
Okay. We will check.
Yeah.
We didn't check the queues.
Yes. It might possibly be stuck in the queue. You can check that.
Okay.
Okay.
Manoj, can you go to this PRDA transaction for a minute?
Yeah.
See, what are these process codes? You have down, right? Batches, process codes, BBD tolerance, best by date tolerance. So,
where?
See, here in the item detail section, process codes, here.
Where are you talking about? Here, down here?
No, the second box.
Here, right, yes.
Process codes.
Yeah.
What are those actually?
Sorry?
No, what is the significance of those icons?
Oh, okay. See, for batches, okay.
Yeah.
Let's say you're receiving this. You've received this product. You've received 90 eaches of this product. Okay.
Yeah.
But basically what's happening is you've received it against multiple batches.
Yeah.
So you can create a batch sub item over here. Second thing is, if you want to create a batch in EWM.
Yeah.
Okay, basically the material is batch managed.
Yeah.
So what will happen is when the material is batch managed, this status over here, okay?
Yeah.
You see this?
Yeah. Status is green.
It will be locked.
Yeah, correct.
So what will happen is over here you can enter the batch. Over here you can enter the batch and then you can just click on create batch.
Okay. So what about the batch values, if any classification we have maintained? So that data can be entered here. Batch will have some values, right?
Classification, right. See, that is something. What will happen is when you create this batch over here, okay, over here, see, you're not transferring the batches from ECC to EWM in this case. If you're creating the batch over here only, okay. However, if you're creating the batch over here in EWM, then in that case you can enter all the classifications. You can, if you're going here and creating that, then in that case, you see this batch transaction over here, right? You know the creation for batch.
Okay.
You see this?
Yeah. Maintain batches for product.
Over here, let's say if you put any batch, just giving an example. Okay, let's just if you create a batch over here, you will have a screen where you can mention all that.
Okay, okay.
If it is, if you have to, if it is, if you have got batch classification. Okay.
Okay, Manoj.
Yeah. And second thing is, second thing is you're talking about process codes, right?
Yes.
Process codes you can use if you want to do any kind of delivery adjustment.
Yeah. See, in Manoj,
Yeah.
in WM, if you have any shortages between the goods receipt and put away, the differences go to 999 storage type, right?
No, I was not able to hear you, Shanti.
No, in WM, if we have any differences during put away, it goes to, suppose 100 I have done the GR, but while put away I see that only 90 are there. So the 10 generally goes to 999. Differences storage type. Right? The 10 quantity goes to differences warehouse, storage type.
Yes.
So here what is the procedure if I have any differences?
If you have a difference, then you'll have to mention the difference over here using these process codes.
Okay. So how is that?
You can adjust the delivery.
Okay, adjust delivery.
Sorry?
Okay. No.
You can adjust the delivery quantity over here.
Okay.
Before you actually do the GR and everything. So if you adjust the delivery quantity, it changes the delivery quantity in ECC also.
Okay. But see, the vendor has sent me 100. So when I have done the GR. Okay. When I open the box, I find only 90 are there. So if I adjust the quantity, then that means the delivery received itself will become 90, right? That is not the question now. In ECC, what happens? You are aware, I suppose.
Yeah.
It goes to 999 where you do a physical inventory and you write it off.
Yes.
You go to that LI01,
Yes.
04 and we sort of write it off and it posts a physical inventory document in our ECC system. 711 or 712. So here what is the procedure? If it adjusts the delivery quantity, then that means I have received only 90 and I have ordered for 90.
Yes.
But here the vendor says 10 you can, vendor has sent, suppose it is an import consignment, so it's a one-time is made for 100 and he has sent only 90.
Yeah.
10 I am sure I will not get it back. I don't want to keep the delivery open also. So how do I write off in such kind of situations?
Okay, so basically the thing is, it's an import consignment, you're not able to open, you are not supposed to open the box before you do the GR.
I pay the customs duty and from there I bring the material. All my payments are done in advance.
Yeah. So basically then in that case what's happened is you have done a GR of total 100, but when you open the box at the warehouse, you find out that it's only 90, right?
Yes.
Correct?
Yeah, yes. That is the case.
Yeah. So then, the thing is, now you've done the GR, you've confirmed. Have you confirmed the warehouse order?
Not yet. Not yet.
You've not confirmed it, right?
See, during the task I have to check, right? I mean, during confirmation, I want to make sure that the... Exactly.
So, basically... See, basically over here, okay,
Yeah. Change bin.
in such cases, when you're confirming the warehouse order, and that's when you find out, then you can use an exception code. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, Manoj.
Yeah. So basically, what happens is when you use this exception code, okay, when you enter 90 and you use this exception code, what will happen is your delivery your inbound delivery, okay, your inbound delivery will be adjusted. Okay, there'll be a negative over here. You'll see in your inbound delivery, if you check, okay, down here over here at the process codes, you see this?
Yes.
You see this this tab over here?
Yeah. Process codes.
Okay. So what will happen is when you enter the exception code for the difference, a process code will get triggered and there'll be a minus of 10 over here.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, Manoj.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so Swell?
Yeah, correct. Got it.
Yeah.
So that will be there in that bin always. I mean, in the difference, this one it will show the 10 always it will show, or is it written off?
I'm sorry?
See, normally in WM we write it off, right? We do a physical inventory. Do we have to do the same thing?
Yeah, so over here also you'll have to do that.
Okay. That was the doubt.
Yeah, basically. So the first thing is how do you basically make that adjustment or show that change in your inbound delivery itself, and second is at the storage bin level you have to write it off using physical inventory.
Okay. So the process is the same then.
Yeah. Process is nearly the same. Only the thing possibly the steps that you're going to be using are a little different. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, got it.
All right.
Another doubt I have, I read somewhere in this help that valuation underscore set we have to run every time you create a material and SIF it, right?
Sorry?
Valuation underscore set transaction, I suppose. EWM valuation underscore set.
This.
Yeah, correct. Determinant. But we are not doing anything. We are. Is it mandatory to do this, or what is the?
No, it's not. See, any which is whether it's WM or EWM, it is not. Materials are not valuated, right?
No, valuated in the sense what determines set price. What is the function of this T code?
See, basically over here, if you just run this transaction, you see this. You see this?
Yeah.
It basically pulls up the same price that you have in ECC and it gets it out here.
Okay.
Okay?
So why run it again?
Then, sorry?
Why run it again here? If it, see, I have maintained 10 over there in ECC.
See, this is one of the questions that even I have been asking a lot of people, that when you're not going to go ahead and manage anything at valuation level. Okay, now if you check this over here in the warehouse order, warehouse monitor, okay.
We don't have anything of value.
Sorry?
We don't have anything of value here in EWM.
You see this?
Yeah.
So basically, the next time, now that we've run it, why don't you try, I mean, basically, what do I say? Create an inbound delivery and let's see what happens.
Yeah. I'll do that.
Okay?
Yeah, sure.
Because see, any which way is at your value and at your valuation level, you're not going to be doing anything in your warehouse, right?
Yeah.
Unless and until you want to understand what's the total value of stock that I have at a warehouse level, that is directly you will be going here and checking at your stock level only.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So let's.
Useful for
Sorry.
physical inventory.
Sorry.
I believe this is useful for physical inventory. Yesterday we saw some conversation like we set some tolerance groups based on value and based on
Exactly. See, right. Now the thing is, at the end of the day, when you're going to be doing that, at the end, see, from a warehouse perspective, they will only talk about quantity.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yeah.
That's how it is. So possibly what we can do is we can run you can do another inbound delivery and check. We can check whether it comes up over here, because it has to come up over here and then flow from here, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Otherwise, the value is stored in that valuation set table somewhere.
Sorry?
Is the value maintained at the table level somewhere? Could that also?
Yeah, it will be.
Maybe it is knocking off from there, I suppose, if you do physical inventory.
We'll have to check that.
Okay. Okay, Manoj. Okay.
All right. Okay, guys. So we'll catch up tomorrow.
Yeah.
So in the meantime, what you can do is you can just land a couple of inbound deliveries over here in EWM. Okay.
Yeah, sure. I'll do that today.
And if you can please create one sales order and a couple of outbound deliveries. So tomorrow we can do a good outbound cycle also.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Sure. I'll do that.
All right.
Okay. Thanks, Manoj.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
All right.
Manoj,
Okay,
I have created configurations related to add also.
Sorry?
I have created configurations related to add movements, add management.
Yard management. Okay.
Yeah. But I tried to move the TU from checkpoint to the door, but I was not able to do that.
No problem. So why don't we check that tomorrow when we are doing an outbound cycle?
Yeah, sure. We can do that.
Okay. Possibly there will be an issue with some configuration. We'll check that tomorrow for sure. Okay.
Okay. Fine.
All right, guys.
Thanks.
Okay, guys. So we'll catch up tomorrow morning.
Sure.
Okay.
Thanks, man.
Have a great day, guys.
You too.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.